A very good morning to my viewer, and I'm very excited to have you today. And today I want to basically talk about motion, and of course we know that motions is the change in positions of an object, and of course this change can occur as a result of the forces that apply to it, whether it's external or internal. But what happens is that there must be that force that are pushed to ensure that the object is being moved from one place to another. And let's just see, for instance, you have this marker, and of course, the marker is in one place and being pushed from this point to this other point, and that's at that point we now know that there is a change in the positions of that object, and what causes the change is actually the force. And of course that force can be applied force or it can be external force. And of course then in motion, so we said by the time you consider the motion of an object, you want to study the motion of the object without putting into cognizance the causes of that force that making the object to move from one point to another. You refer to such study to be economistic, and but if we consider the causes of the force, we study the causes of that force, and we call it dynamic. So these are the two, and of course these constitute what we call mechanisms in physics, of course. So today we want to practically, I'm going to look at the kinematic. So we are not going to consider the causes, we're just going to study the motions of an object, the force, and without looking at the causes of the forces, okay, of that change. So at that point we consider the positions, consider the speed, consider displacements, and accelerations, velocities, and others.